Alright guys, so we're getting back into the 3/4 ton again apparently. So I sold the engine out of the truck. Nothing wrong with the engine, but guy I know needed an engine for a project for his boss. So we're taking this engine back out, because I'm a glutton for punishment apparently, and I'm putting that engine back in. We're going to change the fueling and a bunch of stuff on that, so it's still going to be basically a stock engine except for, it does have some hard parts, but the hard parts don't make it any more power, just hold more power. But I'm going to put a stage 2 camshaft in and take the camshaft that's in out. It's got a Hamilton cam in it, and I will be removing that. So, I guess we'll get into what we're doing, and we're going to tear this thing out of there.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask. Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah,
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus.
Damn, ain't that fabulous. Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots.
Alright guys, so engine is out. As you guys would have seen, we got it on the stand there. I realized I didn't show underneath stuff, but you guys have seen me do that before. You know, regular stuff. If there's something that you do want to see, if there's something you want to see down there, just let me know when I go to put it back in, which probably is going to be maybe a week or so, because I want to do some stuff to that engine. I'm going to change the camshaft like I was talking before. We're going to change the compounds, change the injection pump. I'm going to defuel that engine a bit, just because it doesn't need to be what it was for what I want to use the truck for. And I want to take the injection pump that's on that is going to go in this next summer, because this is just a 180 horse pump and that's a 215 horse with some whizzy stuff done to it. But got the engine out probably tomorrow. Today is Friday, holiday for us. I'm going to pull front cover adjustable timing gear out, because they're not getting that when they buy the engine. I'll put the stock one back on, retime it, pull the exhaust manifold off, rear housing off, that stuff. Engine bay type of stuff. I'm just going to power wash everything, probably remove some of the old lines and some of the stuff that doesn't need to be there. I'm gonna pull some of that stuff out, just kind of clean some stuff up. I might even get carried away and maybe paint the inner fenders and stuff. I don't know. I really would like to rebody this truck. I just realistically don't know when I'm going to rebody the truck, so I need to do some fixing. Otherwise we're going to have problems. So I want to fix up a few things so that we can keep driving the truck, because we still need to drive the truck. So that, like I said, I had to get that pulled out because they want that next week, so I had to do that. So I can't think of anything else right at the moment. So like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and remember, it's not rocket science.